Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton and I'm the programmer for the North Adams Library. Now, our theme for today is houses. So, I'm going to start with a rhyme called Building a House by Diane Tom. Building a house is lots of work. First, you dig up lots of dirt. Then you pour a concrete floor and pound up boards with nails galore. Doors and windows go in fast. Now your house is done at last. Now, our book for today is Jack's House, written by Karen Magnuson Bell, illustrated by Mike Wukanauka, and published by Holiday House. Copyright 2008. This is Jack. And this is the house that Jack said he built. But here is the real story, and pictures to prove it. This is the bulldozer that scraped the land for Jack's house. This is the backhoe that dug the cellar where the land was scraped for Jack's house. This is the cement mixer that poured the floor where the cellar was dug, where the land was scraped for Jack's house. This is the forklift that hoisted bricks to build the walls, where the floor was poured, where the cellar was dug, where the land was scraped for Jack's house. This is the rack truck that delivered windows to let in light, where the walls were bricked, where the floor was poured, where the cellar was dug, where the land was scraped for Jack's house. This is the boom truck that raised the shingles to the roof, where the windows were framed, where the walls were bricked, where the floor was poured, where the cellar was dug, where the land was scraped for Jack's house. This is the dump truck that hauled 2 trees to shade the house, where the roof was nailed, where the windows were framed, where the walls were bricked, where the floor was poured, where the cellar was dug, where the land was scraped for Jack's house. This is the van that brought the hammock, cozy and snug, where the trees were planted, and the roof was nailed, and the windows were framed, and the walls were bricked, and the floor was poured, and the cellar was dug, and the land was scraped for Jack's house. This is Jack, relaxing out back. This is the dog who did all the work. And this is the pickup truck that carried away a patch of grass, 2 trees, the hammock, and Jack. This is the house that Max built. The end. Now, a craft you can make to go along with this book is a shape house craft, which looks like this. So first, you'll need to cut out several strips of different colored construction paper. Then you'll need to cut out one large triangle out of whatever colored construction paper you like. Then you'll need to cut out 2 small rectangles and 2 small squares. Next, you'll need a glue stick to glue your several strips of construction paper on a big black piece of construction paper to look like your wall. Then you'll glue your triangle on top of the stack to look like a roof. Next, you'll glue 1 small rectangle on the bottom strip of paper to look like a door. Then you'll glue the other small rectangle on top of the roof to look like a chimney. Lastly, you'll glue your 2 small squares anywhere on your stack of paper to look like windows in your house's wall. Then you have made your very own house. Also, a song you can listen to that goes along with this book is the house song. And another house-themed book you can read is The Little House by Virginia Lee Burton, which you can access on Hoopla Digital using your library card and pen. The links to each of these can be found in this video's description. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and stay healthy.